Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lyons, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the best long distance movers in Lyons. We work with you to draw out a plan that consists of every moving detail. We work with your schedule, budget, and preference, and we sort out your appliances, furniture, clothing, and other home items. After that, we label and arrange them, and finally, we have trained movers to load your belongings carefully into your trucks. Our trucks also have spacious compartments to transport your belongings safely and promptly. You don't have to worry about your items getting damaged. We separate fragile objects from solid ones. Our insurance coverage is also top of the line, and our drivers are professionals. They have years of experience moving belongings over long distances. They drive carefully, follow highway regulations, and go to your location appropriately. If you're moving less than 50 miles, we provide the best local moving services. We build great relationships with our clients, which is why locals highly recommend us. Further, our services are budget friendly. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. We follow a set of organized procedures and ensure maximum satisfaction of our clients. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lyons moving business offers extra services for which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.